Now this is our last simple final. And it doesn't exist in English alphabet. It is pronounced yu. In order to pronounce this sound, say yi first, and keep your tongue in the same position. Then round your lips. Say yi, and now round your lips. 유. 跟我读 유. 유. The word 女 means female. 跟我读 유. 女. 女. Alright, now we have learned all the simple finals, and we also learned tones, so we can put them together. So these are the first tones, second tone, third and fourth tone. Now 跟我读 啊 啊 啊 啊 오 어 어 어 It might actually be easier if you read it faster. Let's try it. 一一一一 呜呜呜呜 And the last one, 鱼鱼鱼鱼 Alright, that's the end of our lesson today. Don't forget to practice reading them. Until next time, 再见.